welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Okay, so in this video we talk about ways for make money with a YouTube channel. Okay, so you can make the money from that, or you can earn the money from the YouTube channel. Okay, so for example, you monetize your YouTube videos with the Google Adsense. Okay, so most of the YouTubers do this. Even me, I do that also. So you'll earn a little over, for example, 1,000 views, about 1.5 or $2 if I'm not mistaken. So you need about 100,000 of views, then you can make a decent 450 or what $2,200 for per views. Okay, for videos. Okay, so if you do that, but more expected that make a fabulous, this method is a great when you have a millions of subscribers. Now we cannot do yet, but I get to know from that. So I just learned from that. When you want to earn the money from the YouTube channel, you can monetize all your videos. Just press monetization, and then you can monetize with the Google Adsense, so you can earn from that. Okay, so affiliate marketing is a best part. Also is a affiliate marketing is a place of affiliate is, for example, the link or referral link in your description. Okay, so at least about 1 or 2% of the visitors will make your checkout, and then will eventually they'll purchase or sign up or something that you offer for them, and then you can get the commission from that. Okay, so that is what I did also. So we do the affiliate marketing. The company will give you the referral link, and then you put at the description, and then you get from that the commission. If someone click or press your link or purchase the product from that link, is a referral link, so you can get that from the money from the YouTube channel. Okay, so if you want to make a subscribers also, you can place in your videos in the annotation in your description for free offer if you sign up at the less lead you manage. Okay, to get the subscribers. Okay, so email marketing, as what I talked about before my other videos. So email marketing, okay, is one of the most frequently used ways for making money today. Okay, so you have to make in the email marketing, you want to promote the product, everything, so you can earn from that. Okay, so you get the commission from that. So you have to, I also use that when you are check your profile for more details. You can check from that. And then you have to make out 3% of the visitors views go to the check to the offer, 30% like that, subscribe, that average conversion from the visitors. Okay, so the 300 subscribers for every 10,000 of views. Okay, so at least about 1,000 people. Okay, so 1 to 2% will always purchase your offer, so you can get the money from that. Okay, so very easy. And then you just make more videos. The videos you make, you can monetize to Google Adsense with the Google Adsense, so you can earn from that, and then the Google Adsense will pay you. Okay, so you can receive from that in your Google Adsense account. Okay, so at the Google Adsense account, you can put your details there, of course, that, and then you have to put your address, everything, or where you can receive the money. So you have to put everything in the Google Adsense, so that if anything you have someone purchase or someone watch your videos, you can get the money from that, and then they will pass your Google Adsense account. Okay, so easy for you. Affiliate marketing, don't forget to put your link at the description below, so if everyone love the product or purchase the product or sign up the product, you can earn from that. So you can earn also if everyone click your referral link or your link that you offer from them. Okay, so you can get the commission from the company, which is you get the referral link from them. Okay, so you make subscribers. Of course, you have more subscribers. You cannot be a affiliate marketing if you are your subscribers is 1 only or 2. So of course it wouldn't be like that, because they also have a standard or category that they can pass, or you can pass the affiliate marketer in this company. So you have to check first your subscribers, or for example, I advise like you have a 1,000 subscribers, it's really good for you already, so you can apply to be affiliate marketer. Okay, so easy for you and they will accept to you. Okay, so like for example, you do affiliate marketing, you can apply for the company, they have a company program, so easy for you to be an affiliate marketer, and then you can earn from that. You have a special link or referral link from the company, so you put the description, you can earn the money that you are making the videos. Okay, so of course most of them, they are making the videos, they have to get the money from that. Okay, so don't forget to monetize your videos with the Google AdSense. Then the affiliate marketing, don't forget to put your link, and then make subscribers. Okay, place your videos in the annotation to more the subscribers, connect your audience every time, then you can get more on money, and there's the ways to make money on your YouTube channel. Okay, so very simple, try hard only, try to make your videos, connect Google AdSense. That is what I advise you guys. Affiliate marketing, make our subscribers, everyone. So make friends, you must download, and then your videos, you can monetize that. You press the monetization sign, then you can make that and the Google AdSense some money. They will give you that. Of course, you must more promote. Don't forget to promote, then you get more views, then you can make money from the monetization only. Okay, so it's very simple, guys. Just press a sit, and you just press from that, everyone. So you can promote more views, and then the viewers will come to your link affiliate. This is the way. Actually, in one video you can do all these ways. Okay, so monetization, affiliate link, and then make a subscribers. Okay, so you get more subscribers, you get more all this referral link we put in the description, everyone will purchase, you can get the money from that. Okay, so thank you so much. Oh, sorry, this is the way, if you example, this is the way that if you want to make money for your videos. Okay, so you make more videos, the make more, you earn the money from the monetization with the Google AdSense. Okay, so this is the best way only for the videos that you are making for everything in your YouTube channel. The affiliate marketing, the link, you put the link below, don't forget that, and then you have to make subscribers, make views, you have to earn from that. Okay, so if you really want, this is the ways that you want to earn the money from the YouTube channel. Okay, so don't forget to press the monetization sign in your videos. Okay, they have in your videos, you do the details, they have there at the below, you can see the monetization sign, the dollar sign. That is the one, the ways you can earn the money from the YouTube channel. Okay, so of course, you less views, you have to less money also. You have more views, you have more subscribers, you can get from that. Okay, so try your best, try your best to more promote, and then you can do that, you can earn the money from that. Okay, so try and try, then the Google AdSense will make you money, give you the money in your account, the Google AdSense, then you can earn from that. Okay, so the company also, if the link, you press your link, referral link, the company will give you the commission, sometimes 50%, sometimes 10%, so you can get from that. Of course, you don't do one only, you must do 100 times or many times all the referral. Most of the company you are belongs to them, so promote the product very easy in the YouTube channel. Okay, just press in the description, put in the link, or in your description YouTube channel, do you know the about that, you can press from that your affiliate marketing link or referral link. Okay, so very easy. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. See you on my next videos. Thanks a lot. Just be happy and smile on your face. You are very happy from that, and then happy what you have done. Okay, so try love your job every time, so try your best to do most of the time. Consistency is the key in the YouTube channel, so try your best. The YouTuber watching you, I will give you the, and will accept you, I will monetize you. That is your happiest moment. then you can earn the money. Easy for you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. For those who are subscribers me, come back to my channel, come back to my channel, come back to my channel. So subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, then I get more subscribers, more views. So thank you so much, and thanks for the supporting me. For those who are subscribed me, thank you so much. Bye.